Hi, today we are going to be learning about glossaries. Nonfiction readers use glossaries of a book to help them decide if they are really understanding what they've been reading. So what is a glossary? A glossary is a list that gives the meaning of difficult or unusual words found in a book. For example, the glossary term for blossom is the flower of a seed plant. Let's continue looking. So this is a video that we're going to watch today. Afterwards, we're going to talk about what we've learned from the video and how the characters in the video use a glossary. Now here's an example text. Why are tigers disappearing? Tigers are losing their habitat. People cut down trees. Tigers live and find food in the forest. So when the forests disappear, so do the tigers. I uncovered our glossary term, and our glossary term is habitat, the place where an animal or animals naturally live. We could understand what the glossary term means not only from the definition that they give us, but also from information from the text and information from the picture. We see a tiger in a tree, we know that's their home. The glossary terms really just help us identify, what these terms mean. And oftentimes these glossary terms have to do exactly with what the reading is about. For example, in this passage about tigers, there are five different kinds of tigers today. However, tigers are endangered and at risk of being extinct. The glossary terms that we are seeing are endangered, at risk of dying out, and extinct, a group of animals that are no longer living. Sometimes we will get a glossary that looks like this. Pictures which emphasize what the words mean. So for camouflage, we see tigers hiding in a grassland. For extinct, we see dinosaurs that we know are no longer around because they are extinct. So the pictures are emphasizing the meaning of the term. They also give a definition for what the term means. Habitat, the place where an animal or a plant or animal naturally lives. Awesome. These are, glossaries are always all of the terms throughout the book that are highlighted, giving you the full vocabulary. So now that we've reviewed what glossaries are, expect and look out for these key words. Look for and use features from the story to help you understand what they mean. So you might rely on the glossary, you might rely on the text box, you might rely on labels under photos. These are all going to help you understand what these glossary terms mean. What I want you to do now is I want you to read your own stories. And then I want you to discuss with a partner what glossary terms you found in the stories. What did they include? What words were in your glossaries after you read your stories? Share them with each other and talk about ways that you understood what these vocabulary terms were and what evidence you gathered about them from the story. Great, that's all. Get to work, and we will check in 20 minutes.